one. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. So first, draw the line segment. Okay, so 7.6 we have to draw. So 7.6, let us mark that one is equal to 7.6 centimeter. Now construct an acute angle, that is 60 degree. We can take 60 degree angle in the upward and downward direction. So we know how to draw the 60 degree angle. So first make an arc the same way here also. So here you will get 60 degree angle, and here also you have to make 60 degree angle. Now on the upper side make 5 divisions. 5 equal divisions you have to make. 1, 4, 5, and here downwards 8 divisions you have to make. Now join that one. Join this. Join this 5 to 8. So this will be divided in the ratio 5:8. Okay. So that's how we have done. Okay, that is only the one problem you have to solve. 11.2 first question. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter from a point 10 centimeter away from the center. Construct a pair of tangents to the circle and measure its length. So first you have to take 6 centimeter long, 6 centimeter radius. So let us mark this one as the center. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Okay. First one, you have to draw a circle of 6 centimeter. Now, from the center, 10 centimeter away from that one, that is 10 centimeter from center. This is 10 centimeter from the center. From this point, you have to draw the tangent. Okay. So, first, draw the bisector of this one. So, let us mark OA. O is the center. A is 10 centimeter away from this one. This is 6 centimeter. Let's go. So 10 centimeter it will come. So more than half of OA you have to take. Draw the perpendicular bisector. Now, look at this one. This is the midpoint of OA. So OA, this point is the midpoint of OA. So take that one and draw the circle. Okay. Now that circle will touch the first circle at 2 points. This one. So mark that B and C. Join AB and AC. AB and AC have to join. It's not triangle, it is a tangent. So AB and AC are the required tangent. So how we have done? First we draw the circle. Then from center we took 10 centimeter that marked that point as A. Then we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of that OA. Then that center you take and radius as, let us take that over M. So OM as radius, draw another circle touching the first circle at B and C. Draw the AB and AC. Okay. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length and also verify the measure of actual cavity. Now, two concentric circles you have to draw. So first mark the center. So first circle's radius is 4 centimeter. So take that 4 centimeter in the compass. Draw a circle. First circle we have drawn. Okay. Next 6 centimeter. And it is a concentric circle. That means center will be same. 6 centimeter you take in the compass. Draw that circle also. Okay. Now what is it? You want from a point on that circle, you have to draw the tangent. Any point on the circle you can take. Okay. Line. Should take this one. Okay. So I am taking that A. C is the center or O is the center, you can mark. O is the center. Then I took a point on the bigger circle. Okay. So OA you have to take. Then the same procedure, draw the perpendicular bisector of OA. So more than half you have to take. Draw the perpendicular bisector. Now, this point you may mark that one M, that perpendicular bisector where we have drawn. That is at M. So OM as radius. Draw the circle. As it is small, difficult to draw there. So that circle will touch the smaller circle at 2 points, here and here. So you can join that A to that point. So let us mark that one P and C, AB and AC. Okay. So what we have done, first two concentric circles we have drawn. We took a point on the center circle, join that to OA, then draw the perpendicular bisector. Then that perpendicular bisector, when you have drawn that circle, will touch the smaller circle at 2 points. Join that. Okay. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So first you have to draw a circle of radius 3 cm. 3 cm radius. So mark center. Then 3 cm will be smaller. Now I will change the measurement. Let me take 4 or 5 6. So one circle we have drawn. So draw that 3 cm radius circle. So O is the center. Now it is given from the diameter. Okay. So diameter first we draw. If you extend that diameter, okay. So 7 extended diameter, each at a distance 7 cm from its center. From the center 7 cm, you have to take 2 points P and Q. Okay. So from the center, so P and Q. This one P and Q. So from this PO will be equal to 7 cm and OQ will be equal to 7 cm. Now from this P and Q, you have to draw the tangent. So for P, more than half of OP you have to take. So let it be M. The same way, OQ also, more than half of OQ you have to take. Let it be N. Okay. Now take OM as radius. Draw a circle. Okay. So that circle will touch at 2 points. Mark this one B and C. B and C. Join BP and CP. Okay. Same way here. Draw another circle with radius ON. That circle will touch the first circle at 2 points. Let us take that D and D. Join on QD and QE. So the tangents are PB, PC, QD and QE. So how we started with the smaller circle of radius 3 centimeter. From that center, extended diameter on that extended diameter, we took 7 centimeter P and 7 centimeter Q also from O center. Then the same procedure, that is perpendicular bisector of OP you have drawn, perpendicular bisector of OQ you have drawn. Then that will touch the first circle at 2 points. So join that one. Here also the same way it will come, join them. Okay.